In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up transactional emails on Shopify. This is an important aspect of managing your online store as it allows you to effectively communicate with your customers regarding their orders, all while maintaining a professional and consistent brand appearance. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you will find the Settings button. Click on it to proceed to the Settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Shopify store. From this menu, look for the Notifications option and select it. The notifications settings are crucial because they manage how you communicate with your customers, not only about promotions, but also the essential transactional updates regarding their orders. After selecting Notifications, you will then be taken to the Notifications page. Here, you're going to click on Customer Notifications. This is where things really start to get interesting. By clicking this, you'll be presented with a list of transactional emails. These emails include order confirmations, shipping updates, and invoices, which are automatically sent out to your customers as they make purchases, check order status, or complete transactions. Each of these emails serves a specific purpose in maintaining a smooth transaction process and keeping your customers informed every step of the way. Scrolling through this list, you'll notice you can preview each email. This gives you the chance to see exactly what your customers will be receiving. Take the time to review them, as this is an opportunity to ensure consistency and professionalism in your communication. Additionally, if you'd like to personalize them further to align with your brand's voice, Shopify allows you to manually edit the email templates. By clicking on any specific email, you can access its HTML code. Here, you can modify design elements like colors, fonts, and images, giving you the flexibility to enhance the look and feel of your communications. And there you have it. Setting up transactional emails on Shopify is a straightforward process, but it provides a powerful tool in maintaining good customer service and engagement. With these notifications in place, you can be assured that your customers are getting timely, relevant information while your store maintains a cohesive, branded appearance. This small bit of customization can make a significant difference in how your business is perceived, adding to the overall customer experience. Thank you for watching. Remember, having well-managed transactional emails is key to keeping your customers informed and your business running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below with any questions you might have. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next one.